All right, we're here at the grotto doing Angel's Landing. It's gonna be a crazy hike. 2,000 feet, 2 miles. It'll be a fun time.
This is me before Angel's Landing. I'm good. I'm not anxious or nothing.
Yeah, we're completely fine. It's not like a fall to your death or anything from, I think, that ridge up there. We'll see. I'll let y'all know how it goes. Enjoy. Today, we're tackling one of the most legendary hikes in the U.S., Angel's Landing in Zion National Park. Known for its sheer drop-offs, narrow ridges, and jaw-dropping views of Zion Canyon, this trail blends beauty and adrenaline in an equal measure. We'll cover the history, geology, fun facts, and a few tips along the way, all while racing through the climb at 5 or 10x speed. Buckle up, because this is not your average walk in the park. Just some basics about the trail. The hike is about 5.4 miles round trip with almost 1,500 feet of elevation gain. It usually takes 3 to 6 hours, but here we'll knock it out in minutes thanks to a nice time lapse. Some quick history coming at you. These switchbacks are known as Walter's Wiggles. 21 sharp switchbacks near the top of Refrigerator Canyon. Walter's Wiggles were named after Walter Roosh, the first superintendent of Zion, who oversaw their construction in 1926. Since 2022, a lottery permit is required to hike the chains due to the heavy traffic and safety concerns. But since then, as of 2025, there have been no deaths due to this safety measure. The original trail was blasted and chiseled out of the rock with hand tools, dynamites, and sheer grit by the Civilian Conservation Corps. The name came from a Methodist minister, Frederick Fisher. He named Angel's Landing in 1916, saying only an angel could land on the giant sandstone peak. As you see here, the ridge narrows to just a few feet wide at certain spots, enough for one hiker at a time. In the 1860s, pioneers named the canyon Zion, meaning refuge or sanctuary. Zion, as a park, was established in 1919. It became Utah's first national park. Angel's Landing quickly became its star attraction. The first chains were added in 1930. They've been replaced and upgraded multiple times since. Now on to some geology about the area. The Sandstone Giant. Angel's Landing is Navajo sandstone, deposited approximately 200 million years ago when this area was a massive desert of shifting sand dunes. The vibrant red you see comes from iron oxide, rust, while the white streaks are where iron has been leached away. Before it became Angel's Landing, the rock formation was known as the Temple of Aeolus, after the Greek god of winds. The summit of Angel's Landing sits at 5,790 feet above sea level. That's about 1,500 feet above the valley floor of the Zion Canyon. Roughly 300,000 people attempt Angel's Landing each year. That's the population of Cincinnati or St. Louis. From the top, you can trace the entire curve of the Virgin River, which cut the canyon over millions of years. Zion's canyon walls rise over 2,000 feet above the valley floor, making it one of the most dramatic sandstone landscapes in the world. You'll see ponderosa pines clinging to ledges, cottonwoods by the river, and wildflowers depending on the season, a testament to microclimates along the trail. Angel's Landing is one of the most hiked and most photographed trails in the United States National Park System. At peak times, over 1,000 hikers per day attempt the climb, leading to bottlenecks on the chains. If you need a good alternative, hike to Scout Lookout. It offers stunning views without the extreme exposure.
Oh, mate, I thought that was going to be it.
Well, we just finished up. It took us 3 hours.
Yep.
Let's see. Final time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And thanks for joining us at Hikes and Bikes. Y'all have a great day. So pretty.